Fine and Gas has a friendly, familiar user interface. In the program we can find all the classic CAD commands, but also the commands that are needed to make the drawing of our projects very easy and fast. In this video, we will see how to calculate the gas network and the calculations of the chimney. The same procedure and method can be done with any type of building regardless its size and type. First of all, a new project is created by giving its name. When we create a new project, a folder with the BLD format is created, and inside that folder, the DWG format drawing is placed. The folder and the drawing share the same name of the project. In the project drawing, we can execute the building definition command from the definitions menu. With that command, we can define the levels of the building. In the window that opens, the name, elevation, height, and external reference of the level is filled in. By selecting Add Up, a new level is placed on the top. When the levels are defined, press OK to return on the drawing. First of all, we will set the current elevation equal to 0.7 meters. After that, we can place the appliance. The appliance will be set on the current elevation. Here we have chosen to place a condensing boiler. The elevation will be changed again to draw the pipes. The pipe can be very easily been drawn, just give the points. In 3D view, we can see the network. The boiler can be connected with the existing pipe with the automated command. The supply point can be placed with endpoint snap. The network can be copied on the other levels using the corresponding command. Place the vertical pipe to connect the levels. Just define the coordinates and the height of the edges of the pipe. A different supply point will be placed for that network. With the same commands, we can draw the other levels. Place the chimney and define the elevation of the first and second point. Place the uptake to connect the appliance with the chimney. Select Network Recognition, in order for AutoNet to recognize the network and prepare the files for the connection with the calculations. During the recognition, messages warn you for potential drawing errors. When the control is completed, we're ready to proceed to the computing environment. In the case of cooperation with the FINE package, the project calculation sheets are updated with the drawing data. The option Windows includes a series of calculation and result windows, in which the analytical project calculations are presented. The main window, which comprises the core of the application calculations, is the calculation sheet. This is about the basic project data, which are divided into project info, project headings, and network data. The project info refers to titles and headings related to the project identity, while the network option refers to the general network data that the project designer should specify. Press right-click to access the options of the appliance. On that window you can define the chimney that is connected with the appliance, and some more parameters. This window presents the results of the calculations concerning the chimney, or chimneys, included in the project. When all the fields of the chimney calculations window have been filled in correctly, the minimum hydraulic diameter of the chimney, in cm, is calculated automatically. In case a necessary field of this window has been left blank, in this field an appropriate message will be shown. The bill of materials costing results regarding the specific project is presented. The window, Technical Description, supports the creation of the project technical description. You can select among various technical description prototypes and text editing styles. You can select the project items you want to be printed and link them to Word, PDF or RTF. More appliances can be imported on the libraries. It is important to enter all the parameters if the calculation method is EN 12845-2019. After the calculation part of the program is completed, save the project file, return to the drawing program, Fine and Gas, and select Update Drawing. The following window will open and you will select the information you want to be shown on the drawing. This command converts the single-line pipes of the drawing to 3D. The diameter of the 3D pipes is directly related to the calculation results, and therefore, before you run this command, you have to update the drawing. The axonometric drawing is produced automatically with the use of Fine and Gas, provided that the network was designed at the specific program. The vertical diagram is produced automatically with the use of Fine and Gas.